How to change Google Chrome performance settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to change your performance settings on Chrome? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome, and then on the home page on the top right, you'll see three dots. Tap on it and then scroll down, tap on settings. Now, on the left hand side, you'll see performance. Tap on it. And then the top general options do not make any changes. So you can just toggle on the performance issue alerts and inactive tab appearances. Then scroll down and you will see memory option. So, Chrome frees up memory from inactive tab. This gives active tabs and other apps more computer resources. So, make sure that it is stick to balance because it is the recommended one. So, after some time, your tab becomes inactive after an optimal time if you set it to balance. Now, come down and you'll see energy saver. So, it is ticked on turn on only when your battery is 20% or lower, but you can also set it to turn on when your computer is unplugged. So, however, this will turn on an energy saver, so your performance might change a bit. So you can just tap on turn on your battery at 20%. However, you can just simply choose to toggle it off as well, and then come down and you will see preload pages. So Chrome preload pages, which makes browsing and searching faster. So you can see that there are two options: extended preloading. So here more pages are preloaded, and in standard preloading, some of the pages you visit are preloaded. So you can tick on extended preloading. So if you change the settings, then you can completely make your Google Chrome perform better. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.